There are three type of people in every of my class at Orange. There are people that are beginners. They just left campuses. They are trying to start their career. So let's put those people in one box. So let's say the people number one is there. They just started. They're just coming out of university. Some of you are like that. Anyone like that here? Then there are people that I call the transitioners, like you mentioned. In Orange in the past, we have doctors, we have lawyers who came to Orange because they're kind of tired of the space where they are and they wanted to move to something else. So they are transitioning or they are moving to another space. Maybe they learned something else, maybe science. In fact, we used to have a guy who studied physics at Orange who went to become a brand manager when he left Orange. Then the last person are the people I call the entrepreneurs or the visionaries. These are people, they don't want to work for anybody. They have their business ready. They know what they want to do. They came to Orange because they want to learn the magic of building their brands and all of that. The first people, what do you need? You don't have experiences. What do you need? You need portfolio. You need portfolio. Portfolio is important. Nobody's going to hire you if they have not seen what you can do. The problem with the starter is that they're not always ready to listen to criticism. They feel they have arrived just out of university. No, you need to learn, you need to be on other people's wing, get criticism and keep going. And then you need to build your CV around what I call your personal strengths. What are your strengths? What do you believe in? You need to build your CV around that. Then the second people, the transitioning people. The most important issue they always have is language. So for instance, if you are moving from medicine, you were a doctor, and you're moving into advertising, the languages are different. In advertising, we speak in consumer language, medicine speaking language of fact. So one of the problems with transitioners is that they think you can just move from where they're coming from to this new space without the language. Branding has a language. Strategy has a language. That's what we call, so many things, so many terminologies. You need to learn it. And if you're transitioning, you need to learn the language of the people you're moving into. Find out what they speak like. How they pay is important. How they pay. Maybe you are paying them, you're shortchanging yourself. For instance, if you're going to tech industry might be paying higher than where you're coming from. Maybe you're coming from an NGO where all they pay was 200 naira a month. Ask questions, do research, find out how much they're paying. And so when you go there, you can negotiate better. So that's my advice for people transitioning. And for entrepreneurs, the people that believe that they have a vision and what have you, try to collaborate, find other people in that space. The problem we're having in today's world, in creative world, is that people are so selfish, so self-centered. They don't want to collaborate with other people. In this Orange here, there are people that you can collaborate with. Ideas are better when they go out into the fire. Let people steal your idea. Let me say it again. Let people steal your idea. That's how you know you have a good idea. Stop hiding your ideas. Hiding ideas. How would you know it's good? Take it out there. Let people. All the best. I stop there.